Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TechNLife. So how are you all? So after a long time I'm making a video. The purpose of this video is very simple. I have seen so many pages in Instagram, YouTube and on different social media platforms regarding one specific course which are making us dumb. The influencers, the social media influencers are thinking us we are dumb because they are creating course on ChatGPT. So ChatGPT was established. It's came into picture from OpenAI since last November 2022. So it's been nearly 6 to 7 months, which it came into picture. It came into this world, and they are creating some kind of courses over ChatGPT. How to work, how to get money from ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT is similar to Google search. That is the thing which you have to understand first, because there is no training required for you to spend money, to spend your time, spend your mental capabilities and everything to know how to search a question over a platform, on a platform. So ChatGPT is a platform. It is similar to Google, but Google is having updated data also up to this second, but ChatGPT's data is ended up to September 2021. It will only tell ChatGPT, if I ask regarding any kind of latest news, it will tell, sorry, unfortunately my training data was ended up to is up to September 2021. I don't have updated data. So it is telling like that, and you are opting such type of stupid courses over Instagram. So you are getting those courses, and they are just telling how to search a specific question in ChatGPT. So you might be a freelancer, you are a software engineer, you are approaching some kind of freelancing platforms to get additional secondary passive income like that. And some of the people are full-time freelancers will be there, and they are also opting ChatGPT for their revenue generation purpose. It is fine, but the thing here is you need to understand one specific logic. For searching something over internet, there is no course needed. We are not doing any search engine optimization. ChatGPT is not performing any search engine optimization. It is just giving answer to your question. That's it. If the question is having some kind of 1,000 lines, ChatGPT may end giving some kind of result up to 200 lines. Then you have to just click type continue. Then it will continue from that specific stopped area. Then it will complete remaining part of the code. So that's a simple thing, that's a very simple thing. You need not to take any kind of courses which is showing in social media, on social media platforms like Instagram. So basically, recently I have seen so many videos from different social media influencers telling that I was graduated from this reputed university, I have this much experience, and I am the creator of 8-figure companies, 7 8-figure companies, and I am creating a course related to ChatGPT, how to work on ChatGPT and how to get revenue over it. Why you need to provide such type of course? Basically, ChatGPT came 7 months before to this world, and you know everything, right? You know everything. If you know everything about ChatGPT, you are bigger than ChatGPT. I will give a question to you, you solve that to me. I will give a machine learning or deep learning problem, you solve that to me. Then why you are here? You are much bigger than ChatGPT, right? You need to go to Elon Musk then. So why you are here to give a specific course regarding ChatGPT for 200, 300? So please guys, don't follow these kind of accounts, don't follow these kind of guys or Instagram. So these people are draining your purse. So for literally searching something, you need not to pay for that one, right? You are having such type of knowledge, you have knowledge over that one, you can search whatever you want in ChatGPT, and you can do one more thing. You can even ask ChatGPT how to use you. It will guide you. There is a feature in that one. It's a built-in feature in ChatGPT. If we can ask how to use you. So if we are having any kind of doubt, what is the concept, on what basis we can create a YouTube channel? If I am the new to YouTube, if I want to start a YouTube channel, I want to explore myself, I can ask ChatGPT what are the trending topics regarding YouTube, how I can create a YouTube channel. It will give suggestions of nearly 10 to 15 concepts. It's enough, right? If you have any doubt, if you have doubt on any concept, then you can ask how to identify the concept regarding this specific concept, how to find the titles, give the hashtags for this YouTube channel video title with this specific title. You can do that one, right? You can ask that one. The same thing you do in Google before ChatGPT. Even now we are using the same thing. Google's data is updated one. Up to this second, ChatGPT's data expired. It stopped training up to September 2021 only. So why you need ChatGPT's training? So please don't opt such type of stupid courses over internet or Instagram. So please don't follow those kind of people or Instagram on Instagram, and please don't fall into that scam. So it is a humble request from my side. I have seen so many pages regarding training. They want to give training to you regarding ChatGPT. So they are thinking that they are bigger than ChatGPT, and they want to give you training on ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT and how to make revenue out of that one. So that is not the case, right? So you are not uneducated person, you are not illiterate, you know how to use Google search, and in the same manner you can use ChatGPT. If you want any clarity on ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT how to use it. So that's enough. Don't opt for any kind of stupid courses, and don't waste your money, time, health, everything. Okay, this is the concept which I want to tell to you guys. The trainers who are thinking they are giving perfect training for ChatGPT must be bigger than ChatGPT, must be bigger than Elon Musk. So that is impossible thing, right? He is an alien. So like that, don't opt any kind of courses regarding ChatGPT. Don't fall for any kind of course with the keyword ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not trainable for anyone. ChatGPT cannot be a predicted thing forever. So it is an unlimited factor. So don't go for such type of courses. So be aware of that one. Be aware of these kind of scams. So thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel TechNLife and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.